Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wash lion's mane mushroom. It's important to clean your mushrooms gently to remove any debris or small insects. This ensures a safe and enjoyable culinary experience. Proper washing also helps preserve the delicate texture and unique flavor of this wonderful fungus. We want to prepare it perfectly for your next meal. For a gentle clean, start by using a soft brush, like a mushroom brush or a clean pastry brush, to carefully remove any loose dirt or particles from the surface. Next, take a slightly damp cloth and gently wipe down the mushroom. It's crucial to avoid submerging it in water, as this can make it soggy. Finally, trim away any parts that look discolored or feel too tough. If your lion's mane mushroom has stubborn dirt that won't come off with brushing, a very brief rinse is acceptable. Hold it under cool, running water for just a few seconds, ensuring the water pressure is low. The key is to minimize its exposure to water. Immediately after rinsing, gently pat the entire mushroom completely dry with clean paper towels. This prevents it from absorbing too much moisture. After cleaning, it's vital to ensure your lion's mane mushroom is thoroughly dry before you begin cooking. Excess moisture can hinder browning and affect texture. For storage, it's best to keep them unwashed in a paper bag in your refrigerator. This allows them to breathe and prevents moisture buildup. Aim to use your fresh lion's mane within 3 to 5 days for optimal flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.